Hello friends, welcome to the Beanie Tune.
Hello kids, let's sing the alphabet from A to Z. Meet all the animals, come and sing with me. A is for ant, walking in a line, carrying a leaf, feeling just fine. B is for bear, cuddling strong, giving a hug all day long. C is for cat, soft and sweet, playing with yarn is such a treat. D is for dog, wagging its tail, running so happy along the trail. E is for elephant, so big and grey, spraying cool water while it plays. F is for fox, clever and bright, hiding behind trees out of sight. G is for goat, munching on hay, jumping on rocks all day. H is for hen, feathers so neat, pecking some grains to eat. I is for iguana, green and still, resting on a rock on the hill. J is for jaguar, running with grace, fastest animal in the race. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high, hopping around under the sky. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring so proud and grand. M is for monkey, swinging with glee, from branch to branch on the tree. queen. O for road, road. S for song, song. T for toad, toad. This is the phonics song, so come and sing along. This is the phonics song, so come and sing along. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for violin, violin. W for watch, watch. X for Xbox, Xbox. This is the phonics song, now it's your turn to sing along. This is the phonics song, now it's your turn to sing along. Y for yellow, yellow. Z for zebra, zebra. This is the phonics song, now it's your turn to sing along. This is the phonics song, now it's your turn to sing along. Sing along.
A is for apple, apple, apple. A, apple. B is for ball, ball, ball. B, ball. C is for cat, cat. C, cat. D is for dog, dog. D, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish, fish. F, fish. G is for goat, goat. G, goat. H is for hat, hat. H, hat. I is an ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream. J is for joker, joker. J, joker. K is for kite, kite. K, kite. L is for lamb, lamb. L, lamb. M is for moon, moon. M, moon. N is for nest, nest. N, nest. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for clean, queen. Q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. R, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. S, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. D, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. U, umbrella. V is for van, van. V, van. W is for whale, whale. W, whale. X is for x-ray, x-ray. X, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, 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 yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z, zebra.